So I have extricated it from all of its various peripherals, which took quite a while, and I weighed it. It weighs 56 pounds, which is, this is a very heavy case, and this is rough up here. Yeah, fortunately, well-designed case for cleaning, so that's good. And the inside, I kind of forgot I did this because I did it in a rush. I was probably drunk or something at the time. But this is going to be fun to untangle before I have to pull everything off. See how the front is doing as far as dust goes. The top was, I think that was mostly dust that settled. So, yeah. You can see where the fans were, but that's not so bad. I'll check the bottom one later. Actually, can you just get at it? Yeah, I'm telling you, man, this case has fantastic... oh, that's rough too. Okay. So yeah, it's going to be a full freaking cleaning on this thing. Pull out the Mobo, repaste. This little guy in here is the Asus card. Hey, you. Asus card that's going to be ripped out and replaced with the other PCIe card that's going to do the NVMe, etc, etc. Anyway, mostly doing this to try using the movie thing on my Canon R10. Alright, I shall begin. If you don't hear from me in 20 days, just assume I'm still untangling this. Peace.